Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called burden rate. Burden rate is the rate of allocation of indirect cost to direct cost of either labor or inventory to give a true picture of the cost of producing or delivering a product or service. In other words, it is the rate of allocation of hidden labor and inventory overhead cost to direct cost and is calculated by simply adding of the burden cost to direct cost in order to present the total absorbed cost of the item. There are many indirect costs involved in running the business. These costs are not always apparent. That's why they are also called hidden costs of running a business. These hidden variable costs create a lot of confusion for business owners. These costs are required to be applied to company's direct costs, where the direct costs are the costs that go directly into the production or delivery of the product or service and are categorized as cost of goods sold. These direct costs appear in the income statement and are used to calculate gross profit. On the other hand, indirect costs are other than direct costs used in running a business. They are subtracted from the gross profit to show the net profit or bottom line. Now, the rate at which burden costs are applied to direct costs is known as the burden rate. Burden rate incorporates extra liability related to labor costs such as any lawfully ordered protection, extra advantages, and paid leaves. This consists of expenses that are well behind workers' related base pay or remuneration or those determined independently inside the unburdened rate. It is frequently viewed as a concealed expense of keeping an employee. Using burden rate is a good way to manage your project cost by knowing just how much money you are spending on burden cost to get a project done and collectively all your projects. This knowledge will help you to do projects with high value and reasonable cost against those with high cost and marginal or low values. Thanks for watching. Bye.